lucky because here the 2024 Medicare Advantage. Hi, Martha. Plans and benefits can change.
I am not called.
Martha, right now is the Medicare and any changes to your current Medicare plan for the coming year.
And then what I was required to it's good to hear right about here. This is cooking. I didn't actually have the number. Okay, what the year sideline makes so much favor against Wake Forest. I'm sure his staff is the way Andrew's defense continues to come up very big time and Tua is a great quarterback. He's actually played the position practically better than anyone has this year. Leading the league in passing yards, and touchdown passes, and quarterback hits.
Lover's final 20. Try Golo for 60 days and never diet again.
I'm willing to go. What are you guys in for? I am thinking. What about you? Apply to a company like that. Oh.
Percent clear skin in 4 months. And the fact is, it's just 4 doses a year after 2 starter doses. Serious allergic reactions and an increased risk of infections or a lower ability to fight them may occur. Tell your doctor if you have an infection or symptoms, had a vaccine, or plan to. Nothing on my skin means everything. Ask your dermatologist about Sky.
For 1983, they qualify for cash compensation at no out-of-pocket cost. Call KRW Lawyers today, 888-315-3997. This is not a lawsuit against the company you work for. Over $30 billion is
Stroud did on Sunday, threw for 470 in that last minute, second win over the Buccaneers. The 470 the most by any rookie in NFL history. Also tied the rookie record with 5 touchdown passes, 14 touchdowns. This is the big thing. Only 1 interception this season. Pick up, right? And you did that. That was me. And the dust settled, and you can reflect on it. And I just am interested in what was the most satisfying part of knowing the game you just had as you think back on it now.
Meanwhile, my haircut has some blood.
For me, not the chance to get a record, so my mind is going to knowing like it's a little different. But it's not really, it's about team and like what players are and stuff. It's really about players. Players make players. And for me, that's been the biggest thing, is learning while playing the game. With this league, I know it's a 1 week at a time. You got to move on. Walk into a room of grown men, a room of professionals who've been doing this. They were watching
That unlocked.
I have not watched it yet. You got to go prove it. You can't just say it and not go out there and do it. So for me, it was not only doing it off the field.
I think the next one might be Death Note.
Remember that thing that popped out of Aaron's body when he went to Founding Titan mode?
Yeah.
When he got his head shot off?
Yeah.
Why did that little centipede spy...
It don't matter. This is the dude that's finally sitting at home going, what do I have to do? Why don't y'all love me? But all I do is go out and compete. All I do is go out and perform. He gave Arizona a chance when no one thought that they'd have a chance. Last year, he gets to Tennessee. He starts late there, gives them an opportunity to go to the playoffs. NASA even said it. He's the astronaut. Listen, guys, I thought Pluto was a planet my entire life, and you took it away from me. You never would have do that? Transfer it out. As Steve said, I'm only giving you 14 points, and I hope that's enough for you not to win the game. To change the temperature in the room, change the mood in the room. How? By being who he is. I mean, people like Robert and quote, rap lyrics for the buddy who's the NWA, I'll be fired in the next commercial break. I'll just say it was a good day. No, that gave me Antonio Pierce, Stroud, Dobbs, Spagnuolo, and Pierce. Those are your Emmy Award. I want to leave these, but it ain't happening. He took me last. The Williams brothers. But as Michelle Weiss about to tell us, wherever there's a him, there's a her. And the her that is the critic of these young men helps keep them on point. It's quite a story about playing football, playing family.
What goes through your mind when you look at that?
And I look at it, Quincy Williams gets the sack, and Quincy Williams gets home.
There to witness it all, their grandmother, Gifarda Henderson. It was a great moment. They had a great...
Just so that usually, didn't have time to
also are
Not
brothers.
only did you guys step up
Okay.
Because each that's the name, Ichidori.
Yeah,
He's strong without
Not the layout. Like, mine's more like the way I tap in something like that. Keep my head out of the play. And then, if I do look at that, it's like, you gotta keep your feet on, you gotta keep your feet on, so everything.
Can you give your best grandma imitation?
This way. Dance slow.
What do you have the most?
It's another height. Here we go. We're talking about grandmas as we watch this. I want to know the truth. Who you want to ask? You ask the baby, the alien, or you ask somebody at home? Either one of them. They'll tell you the truth. 33rd game. Listen, man. There is always these players in the NFL that don't go into enough attention for the level that they're playing at. And I think it's because we get accustomed to household names. But he should be an X factor in his defense. And when you think about all of the things that he can do, I love his multiplicity. First of all, he's but what the hell is Dylan James? Dylan James last time was a game changer. And I know he was a business. For real fact, you saw that he got, I think, 7 sacks on the year. 6 of them came in one game. Like, where are you? I just came off of a tape. How like Mike McDonald, the defense coordinator in Baltimore, putting his guys in position. What the hell is the problem for him to say this? And we're not talking about a personnel issue anymore in Los Angeles. So it's $500 million invested over there in that defense. Or it's you. I think they're going to choose the $500 million. I just think. So I'm going to think of any time. All right, well, we can figure it.
Let me be direct. You're watching football, bro. What do you call the guy in face paint that can't get the game? A clown.
Final game all week, not right around the corner. They've got ties and numbers. Well, he wants to see that defense step up and do his job and harass this man, Zach Wilson. Man, we got a man back on ESPN doing. You know, I want to start with you. We talk so much about Zach Wilson, but left tackle to right tackle, looking for the people in front of him. There's this transition. How do they manage that tonight? Well, I really. Well, he's critical of their offense. He's critical of how to slow down his jet pass rush. Now, when you have a good screen game, believe it or not, a defensive lineman might not rush his form because he comes up with the quarterback and shows how to do justice. They jump off the offense. He's not getting tenure on his shot. He's taking it to the house. You got to be very careful blitzing. He's trying to, they have a screen like this, caught him at the right time. He's going to make you pay. So he's a quarterback best plan, especially against a really good pass rush like the jet pass. He couldn't be getting healthy at a better time than he saw it. It's 40 to 70 yards, 5 touchdown pass. When you break the rookie record and you play the way that he did on a game-winning drive, the way that he played, the thing's not it right. And I think it just told me in my head it's the most votes ever. Yeah. Yes, he just one score game. He got 13 interceptions in the fourth quarter. And he got way more than any other quarterback that you compare to. You're talking about the Allen, the Burrow, the Patrick Mahomes. I don't know if they'll be in that situation tonight, but he's got to prove that he can make it happen. I think he does suggest him out the field. Yeah, first, I'm taking it first and foremost that defense to your point. They've been making enough plays.
Because the following was on a Tuesday.
It is a crisp November night, whether you are in the city that never sleeps or just a little west. The home of the New York Jets, where tonight the LA Chargers stroll in for the Jets and their offense. But if your record is what you are, well, they're a win away from being 5-3 and right on the heels of the Miami Dolphins.
I speak into existence or something? Question mark? Trying to tilt your head down some? Sounds like they got people in the attic, huh? Alright, he wants to give y'all some motivation. By the grin on his face, I don't know what he's about to say. Alright, go ahead. Give him some motivation.
If you going somewhere and you need to look good, stop here first.
Yes, sir.
Get a
Stop here
haircut right
first.
here.
He says just very
Best haircut.
geometrical. It looked like he went to a chemistry class.
Best haircut